Hey everybody, this is Dave Thomas. I am your child's advanced physical science teacher. And just in this short video, I'm just going to talk about what the course is, what they need to be successful, and how to get a hold of me if you have any questions. Advanced Physical Science is a 9th grade science course that is designed to give students an introduction to lab science here at Monarch High School. The first semester, we focus mainly on physics, the study of matter and energy and how it interacts. And the second semester, we will focus on chemistry. So with these two halves of the course kind of put together, they have a great foundation for future science courses here at Monarch. The course is heavily lab-based. We do a lot of labs most block days. On Thursdays, we'll be doing some sort of a lab, experiments and things like that. There's some lectures, some reading, some worksheets, and other things along the way as well. The syllabus for the course can be found on Schoology on the main site, and you'll find the course description and policies there. Your student needs to bring to class every day their laptop, a notebook for writing things down in and doing scratch work in, and a calculator. The students are not allowed to use their phones as calculators because things tend to get a little distracted when that happens. So a simple scientific calculator, a TI-30, which is about $12, should be just fine. And if they forget their calculator, I have a few extra for them to borrow. If you need to get a hold of me, email is the best way to reach me, dave.thomas@bbsd.org. You can find that through the Monarch website. And I monitor that pretty much all day long, even after the school hour ends. So if you have questions or concerns or want to know exactly what we're doing in class, please feel free to reach out and let me know. There is a calendar on Schoology that also tells you what we're doing each day, so you have a sense of when your students have homework and when they don't, and so on. So anyway, look forward to a great year and meeting you all at at conferences and perhaps at back to school night in person. But thanks again, and we'll see you this year.